What's up guys, Epic John Twizan here. I just wanted to show you my new keyboard. This is my first mechanical keyboard. The last keyboard I used to use was the Logitech G510. What you see in front of you is the Corsair K95. This is the RGB version, so it's got all the lights as you can see in front of you. It's made out of sturdy, rigid brushed aluminum, and it's got 18 programmable G keys. So I mostly use the keys over here. These are the G keys. I use those for editing, but you can also use that for gaming. And it's got also 108 macros, which you can choose from to help you game faster and harder. I haven't gotten there yet, but that is the intention of the keyboard. One thing that mainly attracted me to the keyboard was obviously the lights. I love the lights and I like the way it reacts to the user. It comes with software which you can adjust every single light. So if I switch over here to mode 1, this is kind of like a general crazy all-in-one, you know, every key has a different light and it just switches randomly. Mode 3 is kind of my editing mode, so every key kind of sets off a random light and it kind of everything reacts to that one key. Over here if you hit the G keys it kind of just flashes, and that's where I have all my Photoshop and video editing shortcuts set up on. But to show you, there's a program on the computer which you can switch over to different modes. So I'll show you a few of those. And you can completely customize this yourself. I just happen to go onto their website, which they have all of these different themes and you can choose from. So on top of having the G keys, the macros, the lights, they also have here on the right is for your audio and video, the pause and play button, the skip, the go back, the stop. You got a volume control here, a mute button, a button to lock all the keys so you can't access any of them. This here will kind of dim the lights, turn them off, make them brighter. And also over here you have your modes which you can switch. I'm very happy with this keyboard thus far. This is the Cherry Red MX keys. The price of the keyboard came out to be around $160. I believe I got mine on Amazon. It might be a little bit cheaper now, but definitely worth the purchase. So that's it. That is my new keyboard. I just wanted to share with you. Those of you that do have the keyboard, let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Whether you're happy with it, dislike it, and if you guys know a place where I can get more of the color themes, definitely post that in the comments below. I'm definitely interested and definitely looking out for more color schemes. Alright, so I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.